I am the voice of our ancestors, the keeper of our stories. Our journey begins with tears falling like rain on fields of cotton and pain. These tears, shed by our forebears, carry the weight of chains and the strength of survival. From the darkness of slavery, beacons of hope emerged. Harriet Tubman, a Moses to our people, guided us to freedom under cover of night. Education became our weapon, knowledge our shield. In Harlem, a renaissance bloomed, our culture finding voice in art and literature. The dream of equality echoed from pulpits and podiums, and carried by voices like King and X. Rosa Parks sat so we could stand. Her quiet defiance a thunderclap of change. The struggle continued, with new leaders rising to face new challenges. Today we march still, our fists raised in solidarity, our voices united in purpose. And from those first tears shed in sorrow, now grows a mighty tree of resilience and hope. We are our ancestors' greatest dream. Their legacy lives in our every breath. The fight is not over, but neither is our strength. Stay strong, stay educated, stay united.